Now, dabbity nabbit, I just found something else that needs to go on the list. And these people are counting on me to do a good job, okay? Now see this door here, let's close it, but listen to it. That's terrible. So there's a way I can fix it. I just take the strike plate off, and there's a little tab on there. I bend that out. I bend that over, and that lessens the pocket area of the strike plate. I'm not going to show you any more than that. I've got some videos on my channel on how to adjust a door, how to adjust a wobbly door, or a shaky door, or a rattling door, something like that. How to fix a rattling door, let's say. Something, I don't know what it's titled on my channel. I got so many videos on there. And you know, you can also check the sinks. I always check the sinks to see if they're running slow or anything, because then I can unclog those, and I can check the showers. There's all kinds of stuff. This is not how to do a condo inspection, mind you. I think I even have a video on how to do a condo inspection or something, and you can use some of those thoughts and ideas I have at your house, you know, to start checking some of the little things out. It's all those little things that start getting to be big issues later on down the road, okay? Do it. Hey, all I can say is keep watching my videos. I am going to put up more and more videos. If some of these do not pertain to you, not all these videos are going to pertain to you, mind you. You know, maybe only a handful, but every time you watch a video, you might get something that you learn from what I'm saying. Even if it's worth 10 seconds and you have to watch a video for 5 minutes and you get a 10-second tidbit, you have just learned something, you have just gained knowledge, and knowledge is key, and knowledge is powerful. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.